everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day, where every day is a happy bake day. Did you get the chance to check out our first episode in our new toddler snack series from last week, where we made chewy granola bars? If you missed that episode, of course, you can check it out right here. Today, in another delicious episode of our toddler snack series, we're going to be making Copycat cheesy Cheez-Its. For that, you're going to need the following ingredients: 8 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese shredded, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of table salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/8 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter cubed, 2 tablespoons of whole milk, and some flaky salt for sprinkling. Our first step is to preheat the oven to 325 degrees. While your oven is preheating, you're going to combine your cheese, flour, table salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika into the bowl of a food processor. Pulse a few times until everything is well combined. Next, you're going to add in your butter and your whole milk, and again, you're going to pulse until thick crumbles form. Put your crumbles on a solid surface like your countertop and gently knead with your hands until a nice dough forms. Use a rolling pin to roll out the dough to be very, very, very thin, about 1/8 of an inch thick, if not even a little bit thinner. Then take a sharp knife or a pizza wheel or a fluted pie cutter, and you're going to cut the dough into strips that are 1 inch wide. And then you're going to cut them again perpendicularly to create squares that are 1 inch by 1 inch. Take each dough square and you're going to place it on a baking tray that's been lined with some parchment paper. Feel free to re-roll the scraps if needed and cut again. Next, you're going to take either a wooden skewer or even a chopstick, and you're going to create a small indented hole in the center of each of your dough squares. Then sprinkle with your flaky salt. After that, this is ready for baking. You're going to bake your Cheez-Its in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the crackers are a very deep golden brown. Once they're done baking, remove them from the oven and allow them to cool completely on the baking tray. And with that, our Cheez-Its are done, and oh my gosh, are they fabulous. They are so beautifully crunchy. They've got a great golden brown color. The little hole in the center is perfect, just like the ones that you buy at your store. You do want them to cool completely down before you eat them, because as they cool, they get really, really nice and crispy and crunchy, which is what you want, just like the classic original. And then you're going to store these in an airtight container so that way they maintain their nice crispy texture. Thank you so much for joining me today while we made our deliciously classic Copycat Cheez-Its. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you had fun baking with me today. I appreciate each and every single subscriber as you join me on this journey from banker to baker. Don't forget to visit my website or follow me on social media for this and all of my other delicious toddler-ready recipes as part of my toddler snack series. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy bake day.